Hey, what's up everybody, my name is Azeem and welcome back to another new video. So today we have got Boya M1 microphone to show you guys. This is the microphone. It is very high quality microphone. I purchased it online. You can also purchase it online. I will just leave the link in the description. So let me grab my knife and open this wrapper. So here it is, the box of Boya M1 microphone. You can see you got the Boya branding over here, and this is model number Boya M1. On the other side of box you will see some features and specifications of this microphone, so make sure to read them. So let's get started with the unboxing. The package is very simple to unbox. Just open and take this piece of bag out of box. There are some papers in this box. Here you got the Boya branding. Here is step-by-step user manual that how to use your microphone. And after that there is a leather bag. It is a carrying case for your microphone. So let me take out some products from the bag. Here is a card. After that there is microphone and some other products. So here it is, our Boya M1 microphone. Guys, it is very high quality microphone. Here is a clip for mounting. You can see this is very tight clip, and here is also another packet. You can see guys, in this packet you got some other products of this microphone. Here is a battery type LR44, and this is cover of your microphone. I will show you later that how to fix it on your microphone. And after that, this is 6.3 mm audio jack. This is a clip. So let me show you that how to insert your 3.5 mm audio jack into 6.5 mm audio jack. Actually 6.3 mm audio jack is used in the big bass systems. Here you can see that it have been inserted. So let me show you the microphone. This is Boya M1 microphone, and this is its cover, and this is how it fixes on it. And this is clip. You will mount the clip in this way. Here you can see the clip have been mounted. It is very tight clip, so just rotate it, and this is the battery portion. You can see, and you will insert your battery type LR44 in it to run it, and after that close it. And on the other side you got Boya branding on the top, and there is a camera button and a O for smartphone button. You can switch to camera and smartphone to use. So that's all for today. So I hope that you enjoyed video. If you enjoyed, please like this video and make sure to subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.